Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use a Roblox gift card on your phone. First, open your mobile web browser, like Chrome or Safari, as the Roblox app does not support direct gift card redemption. Then, go to the official Roblox website and find the gift card redemption section. Make sure you are logged into the correct Roblox account where you want the Robux to be added. This is a crucial first step. Next, it's time to find your gift card's unique code. For physical cards, gently scratch off the silver strip on the back to reveal the 12-digit PIN. If you have a digital card, the PIN will be in your email or purchase confirmation. Carefully enter this code precisely into the designated text box on the redemption page. Accuracy here is very important for a smooth process. Before finalizing, take a moment to double-check that you've entered the 12-digit PIN correctly. Even one incorrect character can prevent successful redemption. Once you are sure, click the Redeem button. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your gift card has been successfully processed and the credit added to your account. Finally, it's time to verify your new Robux balance. You can do this by logging into your Roblox account, either through the mobile app or the website. Your Robux total should now display the amount from your gift card. Remember, each gift card also grants a free virtual item. Now you're ready to enjoy your new Robux.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.